In the heart of North Austin, nestled amidst the bustling city streets and the ever-growing craft beer scene, Circle Brewing Company has been a staple for nearly 15 years. Founded in 2008 as a bold vision by a group of passionate beer enthusiasts, it officially opened its doors in 2010, setting the stage for a remarkable journey. On a sad Monday, the brewery shared a heartbreaking message on its Facebook page and website, announcing its sudden closure. The post began with a heavy sigh of sadness, reflecting the deep emotions that the brewery's founders and loyal patrons were experiencing. It is with a heavy heart and the utmost sadness that we must announce the closing of Circle Brewing Company, the message lamented, sharing the bitter reality that they couldn't keep the doors open at their original Breaker Lane location. The brewery's history was a tapestry woven with both highs and lows. From its humble beginnings in 2010, it initially followed a distribution model, shipping its craft creations to various corners of Texas. However, as the craft beer revolution gained momentum, Circle Brewing adapted. They shifted their focus to a taproom model, inviting patrons to experience their brews firsthand in a welcoming and communal setting. The news of the closure sent shockwaves through the tight-knit beer-loving community. Google Maps quickly updated the Breaker Lane location as permanently closed, a stark reminder of the abrupt end to an era. Yet, there was a glimmer of hope. Circle Brewing acquired a sprawling 23-acre plot of land in Elgin in 2019. This land held the promise of a bright future, with ambitious plans that had yet to be realized. The brewery declared they would keep the Elgin facility open for one final week, allowing patrons to say their goodbyes and relish the cherished brews. But the pain of closure ran deep. The brewery's message carried a sense of regret, not for what had been accomplished, but for the potential that would remain unfulfilled. They spoke of their one-of-a-kind concept, a facility that stood as a testament to their passion for brewing. The location was a canvas for creativity, on a plot of land with endless possibilities and a community that had rallied around it. Our biggest regret is not having the time to see our vision through and fulfilling the enormous potential we know would have paid off enormously, they confessed, their words laden with melancholy. It was so close to becoming reality. We're sorry we didn't have the time to see it to the end. As Circle Brewing Company prepared to draw the curtain on its remarkable journey, patrons and fellow brewers alike reflected on the legacy it had created. The brewery had not only served exceptional craft beer but had also been a symbol of the resilience and spirit of Austin's vibrant craft beer culture. And though the Breaker Lane location had closed its doors, the memories and the nature of Circle Brewing would continue to flow, much like the beloved brews it had crafted for nearly 15 years.